Is it the right time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 8, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.61. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.85%. This translates to an average daily return of 0.26% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a broad rising trend, indicating the potential for further upward movement. Over the next 3 months, the short-term trend suggests a possible 4.9% change, with a return ranging from -4.07% to 7.45%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend indicates a potential 15.26% change, with a return between 4.72% and 20.54%. This translates to a price range of $481.89 to $554.70 after a year. Our latest update for SPY is that the ETF price increased by 0.44% on Friday. On the last trading day, the SPY ETF price went from $458.14 to $460.17, a gain of 0.44%. Throughout the day, the price fluctuated from a low of $457.22 to a high of $460.75. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 1.07% gain. The trading volume also increased on Friday, with 9 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, approximately $31.87 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 69 million shares exchanged. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $460.75, while the lowest price was $374.77. Currently, the price is 0.12% or $0.575 below the 52-week high. It is also 4.13% or $19.81 below the all-time high on January 4, 2022, when it reached $479.98. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF shows promising buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals reveals a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of a downward correction, there is support from the lines at $457.39 and $441. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Friday, October 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 12.05% increase so far. This suggests the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Nonetheless, some negative signals have been identified and might impact the stock's short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Moving on to the long-term chart, the ETF had a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare combination occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line meet. Historically, it has often preceded significant and enduring gains for the ETF in question. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Let's start with the downside. The ETF currently has support levels just below today's level at $429.54 and $426.43, indicated by accumulated volume. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $429.54. If that level is broken too, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $426.43 and $412.55. Overall, the SPY ETF tends to have controlled movements and offers good liquidity, making the risk considered very low for this stock. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $3.52 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.771%. Looking at the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.798%. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for SPY. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This means that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you're considering entering a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $429.54. If this support level holds, it presents a potential entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $443.70, which represents a decrease of 3.58%. This particular ETF exhibits low daily movements, which implies a lower level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 29 days ago. Is investing in the SPY ETF a good decision? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and an overall upward trend, indicating a potential buying opportunity for the SPY ETF. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected an overvaluation in the current price, suggesting caution. Looking ahead to Monday, December 11th, we anticipate the SPY ETF to open with a downward gap of $0.792 and begin trading at $459.38. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. We want to emphasize that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for tuning in.